video on how you can take your smile, you know, from like eh to like yes. That's exactly what I did. So I wanted to whiten my teeth, and I kind of been contemplating different ways to do it. And then this company reached out to me, and they are called Smile Brilliant. And so they have been gracious enough to let me try out their product and also do a giveaway with you guys. And I just want to preface and say, yes, this is a sponsored video, but I am very careful on what I post on my channel because I want it to be authentic and real. And so just trust me in this process, I guess, and come along with me so I can tell you how I was able to get my teeth a little bit more white, and it makes me extra excited. So if you guys have any questions at all, make sure you leave a comment down below. I am more than happy to answer them. Give this video a big thumbs up because it would make me very happy. And if you guys want to hit that subscribe button, I wouldn't be opposed. I would actually be very, very excited. And also, if you hit that subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon notification button. And every time you click that, you will get notified. Yeah, you will get notified every time I post, which is weekly. And other than that, like I said, there is a giveaway. So if you guys want to check out that giveaway, just look at the description bar down below, and that way you can, enter. All you gotta do is click that link, enter your email, and then put in your name, and you are automatically put into this giveaway. You will be notified by email in 2 weeks. Okay, that's a lot of rambling, so if you guys want to hear a little bit more about this kit, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys my experience with this brand and how I felt using it. So first of all, I was contacted by Smile Brilliant, and they're like, hey Lippy, do you want to try out this product? And I have personally been looking for something to kind of like that boom boom to your teeth, like you just want to take it to the next level. And so I was like, okay, I'll try it. But beforehand, I was actually doing a little bit of research on my own to figure out what I want to do to get my teeth to the next level. And there's always the dentist that you can go to, but I was like, honestly, I'm a college student and I can't afford to get my teeth whitened at the dentist office. So then I was like, I'll check out Groupon. Maybe it'll be cheaper. And my friend actually used Groupon and got a discounted rate for a couple $100s, and he did not like it. He said he barely saw changes and he would probably not do it again. And I was like, why would I spend this much money if I'm not getting what I want out of it? And so then, I just kind of let it go for a little bit. I've also used Crest whitening strips in the past before, and they are awful on my teeth. I cannot stand them. I put them on my teeth and instantly my teeth are that instant pain that you get that shoots up. Yeah, I get that when I use the whitening strips. So I can't use those at all. And then the only other whitening product I guess I try to use on my teeth are just whitening toothpaste. And I definitely think that does the keeping up with the whitening, but it doesn't really, it doesn't really change your teeth whitening color, you know what I'm saying? So then, with this coming along, I was very, very interested in it because it's very customizable. So what they do is send you this kit. This is exactly what mine looked like. And you have these molds. Okay, let me show them to you guys. So you have these different colored molds. There's a white one and a blue one, and you're supposed to mix it together, and there's instructions on it. There's probably plenty of YouTube videos if you guys want to check out how to mix it. But then after that, you put them in this right here. Okay, if anyone has had braces, you know what these are. These are awful, but it is worth it. So you put the little putty in these, and then you put the trays in your mouth, and they make impressions. So with this kit, what I thought was kind of unique was that you're getting customizable trays, and you're kind of able to do it at home. And so you take those, take this cute little envelope, and you put them in there, and then after a couple of weeks, you get this thing right here. So if anyone, again, has had braces, it is a retainer, but it's a type of retainer that's more of the jelly form, so it's really easy and bendable. And they made these, and this is what you're going to be using the actual gel syringes on. And so you take your molds, and then you take your syringes. So this is one I have right here, and you just put it on there, and then you put it on your teeth for the desired amount. So basically, you get these couple of these kits right here. You have the teeth whitening gel, and then you have the sensitive gel. And so the teeth whitening one, depending on how sensitive your teeth are, you're gonna put it in for I do 45 minutes at the very least, and then you can take it all the way up to 3 hours. I'm very careful about I hate when my teeth hurt, so I did mine for about 45 minutes to an hour and a half each time, and I would do it at night because I don't know, I don't think you're really supposed to be able to eat after this, just because you want all the gel stuff to soak in. And so I will put this again in like for like 45 minutes to an hour and a half, and I do it at nighttime, watch Netflix, take a shower, and I put my timer on. And then after that, you have the desensitizing gel. I can't even talk. So this is basically supposed to make your teeth a little bit less sensitive. And so I did this for about 20 minutes, and each of these syringes, where is my syringe? I think this is so cool because I feel like I'm a little doctor. But each of these syringes have about 3 uses to maybe 4 each try, or each time you put it, you know, on your little trays. And so then after that, what you are going to do is just, for me, like, do nothing. I put in my retainer, I go to bed, I go to sleep, and in the morning my teeth are like a little bit more whiter. And honestly, like, I'm not just like saying this, like, people have actually said things to me about my teeth after I started using this. And so, like, let me give you a little timeline of my life. So basically, when I was in high school, I had braces. I got my braces off, and I noticed people being like, oh, your teeth are really white. And I was like, thank you. I don't know what I did. That was natural. I was happy about it. But after time has gone on, like, no one's really said anything, and that's what kind of was like, maybe I need to whiten my teeth. You notice those things like when you're getting ready, and you're like, like it looks a little, like it needs a little something. And so then after I started using this, kid you not, I started my internship. The security guard was checking me in, and she goes, your teeth are amazing. They're like straight, and they're really white. And I'm like, thank you, I very much appreciate that. And so, like, the fact that a complete stranger actually said something to me was like, okay, like, this is definitely working. And even when I, like, take pictures now, I have been able to notice my teeth, like, look a lot whiter also. Like, I don't know, I've noticed a difference, other people have noticed a difference, so this product, in my opinion, actually really does work. So my teeth are a little sensitive to this product, but it's nothing that has been, like, crazy. I'm very much able to be in control of how sensitive my teeth react to it, just because, like, you have the gel and you get to pick how much product you put it in and how long it lasts. I will say the next day your teeth are a little extra sensitive, but again, it's like nothing crazy. Like, it's very, like, you can handle it. I don't like pain, and so why would I be like, this is like, no, I don't like pain. And I feel like other people don't like pain, so I'm just telling you guys, like, it's bearable, you're good, you can handle it. Honestly, at the end of the day, you know, this is something that can help you be a little bit more confident. It's definitely been something that's made an impact on my life. Like, it's so literally, like, you think about, like, whitening your teeth, but it makes you feel good. And so I wouldn't tell you to try this product if I didn't feel, like, confident about it, or even just recommend it. You guys can check out plenty of other YouTube videos on this product and see if, you know, their experience has been just as good as mine. But I'm here, like, trying to recommend it to my friends and my family, which means I want to recommend it to you guys on YouTube. And if you guys have a chance to win a giveaway, I was like, heck yeah, that'd be awesome. So again, if you guys want to enter this giveaway, check out the description bar down below. You know, go check out that link, put in your email, put in your name, and then in 2 weeks, hopefully your name will be drawn. But if you guys have any other questions, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon button, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. But until next time, I will see you then. Bye guys!